signs of years and half a century of reform and innovation. With strong technology and complete testing and inspection, annual production capacity, and performance of products in the leading position in the industry, at home and abroad. Excellence, breakthrough innovation in flame retardant fabric. Making world-famous brand, becoming industry leader. Upholding the development goal of a high beginning, high quality, high efficiency, high credibility. 4 wide continuous dyeing lines. 2 rotary screen printing lines. With internationally advanced equipment as German Göhler continuous bleaching machine, chainless mercerizing machine, German Montfort's heat setting machine, Italy Laffer sanding machine, American Morrison shrinking machine, etc. And keeps leading the new development of printing and dyeing industry. Outstanding performances creates perfect quality into the production of special fabrics such as pure cotton, polyester cotton, cotton linen, polyester viscose, elastic fabrics, as well as various high-quality multifunctional fabrics, such as flame retardant, anti-static, dust-proof, water oil repellency, anti-acid, durable press, anti-UV, breathable, moisture management. The fabrics have been widely used to national defense, transportation, petrochemical, metallurgy, construction, and other fields, and providing excellent protective clothing fabrics to workers. The true excellence lies in the sustainable development of ecology. Nowadays, environmental protection has been incorporated into the obligations of enterprise to realize more achievements. In front of fierce competition in the world, the strong will become stronging, with its innovation and advanced science and technology, leads China into a new era of dyeing